Big skip, right?
Okay, my name is Anna Wilkowski, and I'm a freshman at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, currently studying computer engineering.
I'm Charlie. I go to U of I studying computer engineering.
My name is Ilian Farbman. My educational background is that I graduated from Iowa State this past Saturday, and I'm here to just brush up on some robotics skills. I have a job lined up in a few weeks, and I just wanted something to do.
Hi, I'm Andrew, and I'm a current freshman in UCLA in the mechanical engineering program. And I'm a participant of the current Gakuto Winter Cup.
My name is Aaron Serrano. I'm a sophomore at St. Patrick High School, and I'm a part of the 2024 Gakuto Winter Cup.
I got invited to be a participant in the Gakuto Winter Cup, and I accepted the opportunity because I wanted to come play with the robots again.
I'm a participant at the 2024 Gakuto Club Winter Cup.
To be honest, I've been surrounded by robots since I was 9, and especially for the past year. I've been working here, and the summer internship was probably the best coding experience I've ever had.
Not a ton, honestly. I took a coding class in high school, but I thought this would be a good way to kind of expand my horizons into robotics.
I started off coding in high school, doing little websites, and then I came here and I started doing the coding on the smart pendant. I took a class at high school in computer science, which was Java, and that's pretty much it.
Not too much. Realistically, I've done a little bit of MATLAB, but other than that, most of my projects have had to do more with the graphic design. So.
The robot I'm using is the Yaskawa 6-axis robot, the MotoMini.
The Yaskawa robots that we are working on are really easy to master, and to actually be good at coding, it takes like less than 2 weeks.
I got the hang of robots probably in a couple hours after the first day here.
To get the hang of, how long it took me to get the hang of these robots was actually not too long. We're constantly like developing our skills, improving them. We're moving on from project to project pretty often. We've gone through actually just a few today. So
I'm just looking forward to relearning everything I learned over the summer and hopefully learning a bit more during the Winter Cup.
Okay, I'm Anna.
I'm Charlie.
My name is Ilian Farbman.
We are the Highlanders.
Hi, I'm Andrew.
Hi, I'm Aziza.
Hey, I'm Aaron Serrano.
And we're Team Kawaki.
Last couple of weeks we learned machine vision, collaboration skills, and some other very wonderful things.
Do you want to re-say that?
I really don't.
That's okay. All right. Machine vision, palletizing, color palletizing.
For the past 2 weeks, we were dealing with robots and also camera systems, and we were preparing for the grand Gakuto Winter Cup final, which is like 2 days away, and we're all preparing our robots and also learning how to code fast, because that's one of the keys to winning that competition. And to be honest, we don't know what to expect, so we're like trying to get everything ready and to know like every part of the programming that we might need to utilize in the cup itself.
So going into the training, I already had some experience with the robots over the summer, but it was nice to get like a refresher on everything I'd done, become a lot more proficient with the camera, and actually understand what's going on with the tracking and color recognition. And just overall, it was good to just run through everything a second time to actually fully understand why it's working.
The competition itself will be based on like common application for the robots, and for that we nailed the palletizing program with like double stacking the cubes, so one layer and then second layer on top of it.
I really like robotics, I'm into them, so I guess this would help with, like, I think like rovers are cool, like space rovers and like other robots. Automation's really cool too. Like you can bring like factories back to America and like create new types of jobs for people. So I am considering a field in robotics. I think that'd be a very cool field to go to.
I also enjoy robotics. As a computer engineer, I don't particularly like building them per se, but I think like the software and the hardware aspects and like the electronics are really interesting.
Well, I have a job lined up because I just graduated recently, and it's not in robotics. However, I have enjoyed this class, and if I do end up looking for jobs in the future, like other jobs in the future, I can see myself like looking into fields like this.
So we had an alumni come in who used to be an intern at Genflex in 2022, Gus, and he came in and he helped us out. He talked about his company and we learned about like interview tactics.
Yeah, he taught us how to handle like career fairs and like other kind of job seeking aspects that, as freshmen in college we might not be all that knowledgeable in.
Last week, Gus, Gakuto alumni, joined us, and he was talking to us about job interviews and career advice, and also his journey as an engineer out of college, looking for his first jobs, and where he is now working full-time.
And he also told us about the STAR method, the method that you use to nail every single interview. So it's STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result.
He also told us about in any job, even if you have a task that you don't know the answer to or how to do it, the only thing that matters is you have the determination to figure out the answer. And then relating back the ability to solve a problem back to the Winter Cup and even really any career, especially for us, there's going to be some tasks that we're probably not going to quite understand how to do at first, and obviously just don't worry about it, just little step-by-step. Do what you know how to do, and then kind of just slowly move forward until at the very end you'll have a completed final working program.
I'd say this class is really for everyone of any age. We had lots of people of different ages in this class, from little kids to me being a college graduate. Like anytime, like it's a great skill to learn and pick up on, and it's something you will be able to use in the future. So realistically, anyone can do it, and you'll get something out of it no matter how old you are.
Yeah, automation is definitely the future.
All right. Let's get some certificates out.